Hey guys.
I was giving us like an intro, like, on God.
Hey guys, Steve and Kylie here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Kylie, what are we going to be taking a look at today?
Today we're going to be taking a look at the SIG Sauer P210.
Today's 210 is the Target variant, has a Target walnut grip. The frame is a full size stainless steel frame with nitron finish on both the slide and the frame. Slide material is stainless steel, barrel is carbon steel, trigger is a single action only. Barrel length is coming in at 5 inches, overall length at 8.4 inches, height at 5.3 inches, and weight at 36.9 ounces.
So MSRP on your P210 Target, you're looking at $1,699. We're not going to say how much they are in store just because they vary on availability. His ears are dead.
That's all right.
I think they always are now.
No, I'm going to go switch them out.
Oh, come on. While she's switching out the battery in her headphones, I want to take time to thank Todd and Rick. Todd and Rick are good clients of ours, and they were very generous in bringing in their P210 and allowing us to do this review. So thank you to both Rick and Todd. All right, we're gonna go ahead and shoot this for accuracy since it is a target gun. And I'm gonna shoot at the number 3 there. I believe I can tighten that group up. I threw a couple of those at the very minimum. So we're gonna do 5 more, and then we'll let Kylie do it when she gets back. It's a very fun gun to shoot. Admittedly, I have shot this before and absolutely love the SIG 210. Holy cow. This is me, not the gun, just so you know. You want to do your 5?
Yeah.
Fun gun to shoot. A couple things to note. The magazine, or the grip rather, does extend. It's a target grip, so it does extend down to where you have to make sure you get that magazine seated up in there. Those 2 shots right there, I absolutely threw. This gun is 100% capable of holding a group that is, I'm gonna say you could probably cover it with a quarter, assuming I hadn't screwed up, but I absolutely screwed that up. Down here, Kylie was aiming, on this group she was aiming down in here, and then she went ahead and aimed another group up in this area, just, I don't know why she went the same dot that she did. This was my first group. My second group I did really bad on, but all in all, we'll go talk about it and see what Kylie thinks. All right, Kylie, that was your first experience shooting a SIG 210, correct? Mm-hmm. What are your thoughts?
I liked it. It's a smooth shooter. My grouping wasn't the best, but that's just because it's the shooter, not the gun. But I really liked it all around. Trigger was nice. There's not a lot of recoil on it, and I like the way it felt in my hand. Yeah,
I'm gonna agree with her. I've shot the 210 prior a few times, and I've always liked it. They are very smooth shooters. They don't feel like they have a ton of recoil, and I'm not sure why that is. Perhaps it's the ergonomics of the grip, or maybe it's the barrel length and what have you. But it does shoot really well. I find it to be an extremely accurate gun. If I were going to shoot competition, that'd be one of my choices. Mm-hmm. On a scale of 1 to 5, obviously 1 being low, 5 being high. Probably, and of course this rating with these reviews are always relative to price, and we don't take into consideration durability because we're not shooting enough rounds to test that. So on a 1 to 5 relative to price, I'm going to give it probably about a 4, somewhere in there. I think it shoots really well. It's obviously a very accurate gun. Price is a little salty, but again, this is a gun that takes a lot for them to manufacture, so.
I'm gonna agree with the price. I mean, the way I look at it, you're paying for quality.
Yeah.
So the price is a little up there, but you're paying good money for it, and it's not like you're paying for a not good gun.
You know, we failed to talk about the trigger. Trigger pull on it and reset was also very nice. It is a single action firearm, so
Yeah.
not much bad to say about this gun.
No, I don't think so either. So we're both gonna be right at the same, at about a 4.
Yep. All right, guys, thanks for watching. What do they need to do if they want to see more of these?
More of these videos, you're gonna hit the bell underneath the screen that you are watching us on, and you'll get notifications whenever we upload new videos. And give us a thumbs up.
Take care, guys. Kylie, what are we taking a look at today? You should be holding this.
Why'd you point at my paper? Because you're the one holding the gun.
Some good looking dogs. All right, give it one more shot there. Anyway.